Hi, I'm Natasha Sansoni, consultant occupational therapist to the Hills School, Clark Road School, and academic partner to In the Zone for Learning. Today, we're going to explore the amazing benefits of deep breathing. We all know that each breath helps us to stay alive and refreshes our brain and body with oxygen. Deep breathing slows down your heart rate and leads the brain to release happy hormones like endorphins, which can then lead to focus, attention, and learning. When we are stressed or panicking, our brain goes into high alert, floods with stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, and gets ready for flight, to run away, or fight, to defend ourselves. Our heart beats faster to pump blood to the muscles needed to run away or fight, and our breathing pattern gets faster or irregular. The stress cycle is not good for digestion or sleeping or thinking, and certainly not good for taking in new information for learning. Some people, including our kids with complex needs, are in this pattern of fright, flight, fight throughout the day. It can happen because of too many overwhelming sensations like sounds or smells, unprepared changes to routine, pain or digestive issues, or for subtle things that we might miss, like an item is out of place, or they record a bad memory that they can't explain to us. We want these kids and all of us adults for their brains to be wired not for stress, but instead to be wired for calm and resilience. There are many ways to do this, and it takes daily practice. Some of the scientifically proven methods of lowering the stress response are exercise, whole body, heavy muscle work, including movement of the head, deep pressure touch, pleasant fragrances like cinnamon, strawberry, laughter. We're recommended to have 3 hearty chuckles each day. Love and connection, thinking about happy thoughts and memories, meditation and prayer, and a few other things. And all of these have been scientifically proven to reduce stress. Today, we're going to focus on deep breathing. If we breathe deeply, we can actually trick our brain to calm down and lull it into a sense of safety. Now, you've had times when you're panicking, a huge spider is in the car, or you're stressed, so much to do, so little time. But taking a deep breath has helped you slow down, gather your thoughts, and sort out the problem. It can sometimes be tricky to teach a person to breathe deep, and it's even harder to make them breathe when panicking or stressed. They just can't process what you're saying because their brain is saying they're in danger. So we all know the best way to learn anything is when you're calm. If we learn to breathe when we're calm, we have a much better chance of recruiting this knowledge and brain memory and muscle memory when we need it. The best way to breathe is in through your nose and a long exhalation out through your nose. You can breathe out through your mouth if you're forcing out the air hard. The long out breath gets rid of carbon dioxide and slows down the heart rate and helps to focus the mind. It's like a deep sigh. Belly breathing or balloon breathing, not chest or throat breathing up high. You actually want to see your belly, your rib cage, and your chest expand and fill with air. Imagine like your body is filling up like a balloon. A good starting point is to count to 3 when you're breathing in, hold for 2, and breathe out for 5. Make this a daily practice, and as you get better at it, you make each count a little bit longer. And you extend that exhalation for as long as possible for an even deeper calm. We naturally get deep breathing and long exhalation when we do aerobic exercise, like walking fast or going up a hill, jumping on a trampoline, running, swimming, dancing. We can get a long out breath by making animal sounds, buzz, or vehicle sounds, brum. Singing and vocalizing helps control your breath. Hum, la. Chewing something crunchy or chewy is very rhythmic and calming. Smelling a lovely fragrance can get us breathing deep. Blowing bubbles, feathers, cotton balls. There's so many things out in nature that you can blow. Respiration tools, whistles, and musical instruments. We'll go through some of these in part 2. When your learner is practicing their deep breathing every day, reinforce and remind them the words of calm. Deep breathing, feeling calm. It's okay. Slow down, breathe, relax. When they hear these words when calm and happy, they can learn them. And when stressed or panicking, they're more likely to remember these words and what it feels like to be calm, and use those techniques when they need to. Keep taking deep breaths, grounding, calming, centering breaths, and tune into part 2 for more practical ideas. Take care, everyone.